I paid for both Mureka AI and Suno because I was convinced one of them would make the other feel obsolete. That didn't happen. In fact, by the third day, I stopped asking which one is better. I started asking which one would I actually open first. I gave them the exact same prompt, same lyrics, same mood, same style. I wanted this to be as fair as possible. Suno was first. The song came back fast, and honestly, it sounded polished right away. I remember thinking, okay, this is going to be hard to beat. Then I ran the same prompt through Mureka. Different feel, not worse, just different. The melody caught my attention, but I wasn't completely sold on the first version, so I generated another one, then another. That's when I noticed something. With Mureka, I kept experimenting. With Suno, I kept listening. Weird difference, but it mattered. Then I did something I hadn't planned. I sent a few tracks to friends without telling them which platform made them. Nobody picked the same winner. One person liked Suno every time. Another picked Mureka more often. That honestly surprised me. One thing did stand out though. Suno gave me more consistent results. Mureka had higher highs, but also more songs that I skipped after 10 seconds. That became the biggest difference for me. As for pricing, I'd only pay for one. There's just no reason most people need subscriptions to both. If you're making music every day, maybe. Otherwise, pick the one that matches your workflow. So, who's the winner? If I needed a song quickly for a YouTube video, I'd probably open Suno first. If I had time to experiment and didn't mind generating a few extra versions, I'd definitely spend more time in Mureka. Neither one completely beat the other. And honestly, I think that's why this comparison is harder than people make it sound. The best AI music tool isn't the one with the fanciest demo. It's the one that keeps giving you songs you actually want to finish listening to. That's the test that changed my mind after paying for both. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.